because I've been digging your glasses, Sukhmani. They look super cool. So I thought I'm going to show off my glasses.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Oh.
Then I should
And-
show mine as well.
Oh, hello. Hello. See my Batman glasses.
Lokesh, my name's Meghna. We are so thrilled to be talking to the two of you, by the way. And of course, big thank you going out to Z5 and Z5 Global for actually starting an initiative called Supermoon Live to Home. I mean, what better way to bring the entire world together than through music and comedy at a time where we actually need positive, engaging content. So Z5, thank you so much. The first OTT platform to actually initiate an international virtual music festival. Amazing! So your performance is on the 27th of June.
Yes.
What prep is going on? Because this is the new normal, right? A virtual music festival. So is there something new with your prep also because the medium is new?
Yeah, because you see, we've been performing so far. We've done concerts, we've done wedding shows and things like that. And this is the first time that we're going to be presenting ourselves from literally my living room. So Hari actually lives in Chandigarh and I live in Gurgaon, and travel to Gurgaon so that we could shoot this.
I was hid in the boot of a car. That's the first for me.
So we waited for the lockdown to kind of ease out so that Hari or I, either of us, could travel, and because doing a Zoom show would be strange when we're not even in the same room. So that was a little too far-fetched for us. This is new. Yeah, this is new. So we, to dress up, for me, I wear spectacles. To wear lenses again was strange. Like that first time that you wear lenses after like 2 months is like, what is going on with my eyes? Even kajal, I'm not so much of a makeup person, but of course, the stage demands something, you got to give it that respect, and you wear whatever you need to wear. In fact, we are nearly done with the video. We'll be sending it across. I think today the finishing touches will be done.
We've had to smuggle in professional photographers to come and sort of shoot our video, and the whole process of trying to create an audio which has a live feel to it, but also it sounds good. At the end of the day, you don't want to just make something that just for the sake of playing it out. You want to make something that people will enjoy as well. So because the mediums have changed visually and sonically, so to try and get the best out of those mediums, that's been a bit of a challenge as well, but also it's been interesting. You learn something new from it. Yeah.
A couple of years ago, I was interviewing Sonu Nigam and we were on the phone, okay? And so he was performing here in Dubai. So I just asked him to sing a couple of lines of one of his songs on the phone. And he was like, it just feels so weird to be doing this mini concert on the phone. In that point in time, we didn't realize that it's going to be the new norm. So, when you're performing in different cities, you keep this in mind. Like if you're performing in Dubai, your music is going to tilt in a certain way. You're now reaching out to global, Indian diaspora. So when you're putting all your songs together, is it a certain way or is there a certain thought behind what songs you want to jam and what songs you want to kind of draw?
See, we've been performing now for 12 years, close to 12 years, and so over time we've kind of figured out what our flow needs to be. There's a certain sort of flow that makes our set complete. And usually how we do it is we don't have anything written down on paper beforehand. Kiji, this song is going to come first, this song is going to come second. We get on stage and we just, as you said, वहाँ का पानी पी के, वहाँ का खाना खा के पता लग जाता है कि what the vibe needs to be, So then we get on stage and with that vibe, we plan our set.
We perform so much at weddings, and no matter how much everyone is enjoying, there'll be that one person who's gonna come and ask you for this one song that you're like, "Ugh." Pulling your hair out, like,
especially while you're just about to sing in the mic. Like
Oh, no.
we actually sing into our mics. I don't think they're probably used to that. So people actually come up to us and they start talking to you while you're singing, and one has to tell them, "Bhai, mic on hai yaar,"
At least let me finish my line.
So speaking of setting,
please.
For Supermoon Live to Home on ZEE5, can we get some kind of idea of shuru kahan se ho raha hai ya khatam kahan ho raha hai? Can we get like a teaser for everybody watching, and especially for us, because we can't wait to see you guys perform?
जावे सोना देवा जान कदमां विच रख के.
Okay, there's so many artists, who are performing for Supermoon on ZEE5. There are stand-up comedians. There's Shilpa Rao. There are so many other musical celebrities as well. Who is that one performance that you're really looking forward to or have enjoyed, like you thoroughly enjoyed?
I'm so looking forward to Parikrama. I want to know what they did.
A bunch of rockers like them, I'd love to see how they're going to tear up a space which is like 16 by 9.
Yeah.
And speaking of other artists, is there one particular artist, songwriter, producer, whoever, that you've always wanted to collaborate with?
So the first person I ever wanted to collaborate with was actually Timbaland.
Oh God, I knew it. I was just going to say either Jay-Z, Timbaland, or
Timbaland, Jay-Z.
Is that happening? Is the collaboration with Timbaland, Jay-Z happening?
I don't know about Jay-Z, but Jaj-Z is definitely here.
For all those who don't know, Hari's last name is Jaj.
Oh,
Jaj.
Okay, there you go.
I'm not Jay-Z, but Jaj-Z.
Okay, guys. So this is a very interesting, this is a very interesting setup because here you are putting music together, which needs to have the live feel, but you're actually doing it beforehand, right? You're used to having audiences' reaction, get their vibe, and then kind of switch from one song to the other. Also, you're trying to create the right kind of lighting, the right kind of music in your living room. Just give us an insight into how it all went about. आप लोगों ने क्या किया, क्या मुसीबतें आई, कितनी बार शूट करना पड़ा, कितनी बार रोकना पड़ा. Tell us the whole process.
We've had issues finding somebody to shoot it for us because we didn't want to just put a phone or a GoPro in front of us and take shots like that. We wanted to present something properly. So to find somebody at a professional level who's shooting through our contacts in the wedding industry, we tried to look for a few people. किसी के पास कैमरा नहीं है, कोई कह रहा है कि जी मैं तो जी घर में बैठा हूँ, मैं यहाँ से निकल नहीं सकता, so on and so forth. So finally we found somebody who's close to where Sukni lives, who was kind enough to help us. Then the other thing was like talking about lights, and the whole idea was not to make it look too jazzy, because at the end of the day that's not the initiative. The initiative is do something live to home, so to do something from your home environment, make it look like a home environment, but yet give it a gig feel. So to get those dynamics right was also quite an interesting challenge.
I kind of became a little bit of a set designer and a light designer, पर्दे पे light लगाओ, थोड़ा सा 3D लगना चाहिए, there should be light behind the artist. So I did a lot of research. And
who did the makeup? Did you guys decide on your wardrobe and stuff? Your pants are pretty legendary, your Adam pants.